is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got something from South Korea for the export market. This is Samyang's Aloha bowl noodle soup. Flavor. Yeah. Chilkin. So, this is pretty self-explanatory. There we got a bowl, a sachet. There's some little bits and twigs in there. Let's put the powder in. And then we need water to the fill line without spilling it. That's my plan. I'm sticking to it. How'd I do? I spilt it all over the place. That's just my deal. We got 3 minutes on this. Yeah. Alright, so we get to start off the day with mopping up some water that's all over the stove. Kind of the regular thing that happens for me. I don't know what my problem is. It's funny, because it's like you always hear about, you know, if somebody's being a jerk, you go up to, hey man, what's your problem? My answer is, I don't know. I don't know what my problem is. What's my problem? I forgot my mantra. I don't remember my mantra. God, what movie is that from? I can't remember even. I'm a train wreck today. No, not really. I'm in a really good mood today. It's Thursday, and went to the, come on, don't be a pain in the butt. Camera. Yeah, you're working. It's the hassle. So, today was library day for my son Miles, and my daughter Mimi was like, library, 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 library. I'm like, should we go to the library today, Mimi? And she's like, go to the library today. I'm like, okay, we can do that. The library's not far from here. So we went to the library, and I didn't have a library card, so I had to get a library card. And they, I was like, I want like a plain one. And the lady got me like, it's like all white. There's nothing on it. And then there's a little thing in the corner, like a hashtag, like design your own, make your own cool library card. And she said, yeah, we were out of those, but there was a little thing, so this was the sample card. I'm like, that's cool, limited edition. But got a card, and she picked a book. She like, we were going up and down the stacks, and she just grabbed this book. I'm like, okay. It's called Space Pop, and it's like some kid's book about a wayward girl princess, like Gem and the Misfits in outer space, and an evil queen. Yeah, so I'm like, alright, the first book you picked is some kind of weird 80s teeny bop sci-fi cartoony thing. I'm down with that. I'll read that to you. And the cool thing about the library is it gets you access to things like JSTOR. If you've never heard it, there's like JSTOR. There's tons and tons of search engines that usually you have to pay a buttload of money for. They're like stuff you'll never find on Google, like periodical databases that just have tons and tons and tons of articles that are only on these things, and it's rad. And yeah, so you can like look at, they've indexed like the New York Times, or like the New York Times, for since it was published. You can like search that, so that's pretty cool. Oh crap, come on, let go. Let go. Oh, what the heck? Let go. I don't want you to spill all over the place. There you go. That was odd, but no matter. So I'm just gonna chop this right in because this is one of the reason I'm doing. I did another one of these bowls pretty recently, but the reason I'm doing a second one really soon thereafter is because the mailman decided maybe that this was something good to smash. Actually, this came Korea Post, EMS. I can't remember, but yeah, it didn't fare too well, and a couple of the bowls were mushy bottomed. So, but the other thing you can get on there is this service. It's called Canopy with a K, and they've got a whole kids section, which is cool. But they've got this documentary that I've been trying to get for 10 years called East of Occidental, and it's about Seattle's Chinatown. And it's not very long, which bums me out. It was done in the 80s, and it's about life in China, or not life in Seattle's Chinatown, and it's rad. It's really good. While I was on there, you get to watch 5 things a month. But what I did, I just used Video Download Helper and just downloaded 5 different things so I can watch them whenever I want. Yeah, but what else was there? I think I got 3 other things that were about like Japanese concentration camps, stateside, like the rainbow camps, Tula Lake. That's stuff I've always been like, not like fascinated by in a good way, but I've always liked to learn as much about that exact time here as possible, because it's like, I don't know, there's something about it that feels like I should pay attention to it. So I do. Very salty chicken. Good. Let's try the noodle. That's pretty good. I did a chicken bowl noodle of theirs recently. I think these just might be the same bowl noodles, just with a different name and label. I'm not sure. I can ask them. And I will. Put a little bit of mung bean sprout in there. Do a magical this egg. Come on, let go, egg. I don't have all the time in the world, egg. Man, the set did really good at the beginning, and then it just like, there we go. Plop. There we go. There we go. Come on, turn around. Get situated, eggs. Cool. And then, have I mentioned I freaking love chili crisp? Well, I decided I'd try baking some chicken. With chili crisp on it. I'm gonna drop every other piece in there. Oh. Man. Alright. So there's that. And then we have some, as usual, spring onion. And do a little chili flake. And that's that, even though it's really, we already got chili crisp going on. But. Okay, let's see what I can do here. Whoa! Come on, come on. Wow, this thing is just like so jacked up. I apologize. It just wants to jump off of this tripod or monopod. I've got another 360 cam coming because this thing has fallen so many times. It's all jacked up. But sorry. Let's see. Yeah, I got one on eBay for dirt cheap. But and it's the exact same one, so I'm stoked on. Ah, man, really? Okay, here we go. Don't fall off. Don't fall in the soup. All right, well, yeah, this is a good bowl noodle. It's tasty. Yeah. All right. Very good, very good. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.